The solution to your long-awaited answer is here. Here is the reason why your popcorn doesn't pop very well and it gets burnt. So firstly, make sure there's no water on your pot or your frying pan and your light shouldn't be on. Then you add in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Now I'll be making use of 1/4 cup of corn. This is to show you that popcorn business is also lucrative. Let's see how this 1/4 cup of corn will get us. So I'll be adding it inside the vegetable oil and stir it very well. Remember your light is not on though. Stir it very well. So after stirring, you now turn on your lights and allow it to heat for just a minute. So after 1 minute of heating, I will now go in with 1 teaspoon of butter. If you like, you can use margarine, 1 teaspoon for this 1/4 cup of corn. Okay, so if you are making more than 1/4 cup of corn, you know the quantity of butter you will use. So I will add it in and continue to stir it until the butter melts. Do not leave it just like that. Stir it so that the butter will melt fast before the corn will start popping. Once you are done stirring, allow it to heat. Once you notice that it started popping, just add in 1 tablespoon of water. Once you add in the water, it's going to react just like when you put onions in a hot oil. So once you add in the water, cover it immediately, and if your pot cover have any opening, use something to cover it so that there will be no space where air will be going out, and allow the corn to pop. Lovers of good food, I hope you are loving what you are seeing. You can like and share this video to push it to more audience. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, please do well to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Thank you. So like I said before, if you are making more than 1/4 cup of corn, you lift it up and shake your pot so that those that have not popped will go down and receive more heat so that it will be able to pop. And once you notice no corn is popping, just take it out from heat. It means that all the corn inside the pot have popped. Take it out from heat and transfer in a basket or a bowl. As you can see, my pan is still neat, no one burns, all of them pop very well. So transfer in a clean bowl or a basket and allow it to cool down for just 30 seconds. Now, because I want my kids to love this so much, I will be adding sugar. I don't have white sugar, and the brown sugar I have has some teeth, so I'm going to blend it with little salt into powder. Then I will get a very clean plate, transfer the popcorn inside the plate, sprinkle the sugar on top of it, and sprinkle 1 tablespoon of milk powder. I will shake it vigorously so that the milk powder and the sugar will cleave to the popcorn. This will give it a nice taste. This is a very nice business. You can start with small money and end much. So on a second thought, I decided to use this second method by adding the popcorn first and the butter. This time around, I did not use any vegetable oil and water. So I only used the popcorn and butter, and it came out perfectly well. No one is burnt and all the corn popped. Thank you all for watching, and please do not forget to like and share this video before you say goodbye. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.